Yo mga Papsi, so this is the Motorstar Easy Ride 150 RS. So para sa akin, ang cool nitong puti. Napakalinis tignan. Tawag ba dito? Animalist ba?
Wow naman! Wow! Wow!
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No I'm not giving up, no I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off.
Mga Papsi is 149cc single cylinder electric kickstart at may bigat na 95 kilograms. Tapos meron daw siyang max speed na 88 kilometers per hour. At kung mapapansin nyo, naka-mugs na ito. Wow. So may iba-ibang kulay ito. Merong black, blue, red, at syempre ito nakikita nyo ngayon ang white. Ang linis talaga tignan, no guys. Sinamahan pa siya ng kanyang bronze lining decals. Ayan. Nag-complement yung yung decals niya, para siyang Power Ranger. Ang cool, 'di ba? Ayan, okay. So punta naman tayo sa mga special features nito ng Motorstar Easy Ride 150 RS. So una sa lahat, kung mapapansin nyo guys, is may kalakihan na yung disc brake niya, no? So isa ito dun sa pinagmamalaki ng features, no, para sa magandang braking system. At isabay ko na rin, ang front tires niya is 80/90 by 14 at sa likod naman is 90/90 by 14. Okay, so next naman is ang kanyang headlight. So buksan natin para makita natin. Naka-on na pala. So next is ang kanyang headlight. So meron tayong switch dito. So mamaya ko na i-discuss guys itong mga nandito. Okay. So ito na nga, ayan, bigger and brighter na headlights, no? So meron siyang running daylight dito. Tapos halogen na headlight. Pero the rest ng kanyang ilaw is LED na, no? So yun na nga lang, sana sinagad na nila, sana ginawa na rin nilang LED tong pinaka headlight niya. So bawas natin para makita niyo yung running daylight niya. So ayan, oh guys, oh, ang cool, di ba? Mas cool sana talaga kung ginawa ng LED eh. Ayan. So sa likod, ayan guys, naka LED na rin siya dito sa likod. Stick, di ba? Tapos signal light. Wala siyang hazard light ha. Okay, LED sa harap. Ayan guys, ang cool. So, ito naman ang itsura niya sa likod. Oh, diba? May reflector dito and then meron ng ilaw para doon sa ating plate, which is cool na. Ayan. So, ang next natin is itong ignition niya or yung susian. Ito, para makita nyo. Okay, so focus natin. So, makikita nyo guys is ito ignition, no, which is yung on na mismo, and then meron siyang seat, no. So pwede nakabukas pa rin yung motor, pero pwede nyo buksan yung kanyang upuan. Okay, so off and then lock. So meron din ditong pantakip para dun sa susian. Okay, and then ito yung button para ma-open yung kanyang upuan, which is cool na rin. So okay, punta tayo dito sa kanyang panel. So, meron siyang electric start. So, light switch. So, off. And then, running daylight. And then, headlight. So, kill switch. And then, ito naman sa kanan is yung turn lights, horn, high beam, and low beam. So, dito naman sa kanyang panel is makikita nyo, may park light. So, usually, ito na ilaw pag nakapreno. So, ito naman ang high beam. Left and right, and then yung kanyang odometer. Okay, so mapapansin nyo guys, nakabaliktad din, no? Hindi ako sanay, pero parang tingin ko baliktad kasi usually, di ba, dapat nasa kanan yung full, pero siya baliktad. So ang empty niya is nasa kanan, no? So pag binuksan natin, ayan, papakit siya papunta ng kaliwa. So, which is kinda unusual sa akin. Pero okay na rin. Not bad. O, diba? Up, up, up. Okay. And then, before natin siya i-test ride. So, ito last thing. Ito yung isa sa pinaka nagustuhan ko talaga, no? Meron siyang USB charging port. So, ayan. Actually, kasi ito guys, isa itong motor na to sa pinaka maganda na, ano, pang delivery courier. Ayan, so meron ng charging port. So ayun na nga, it will serve its purpose, no, na maganda na pang delivery courier. May maluwag na put step dito sa harap, which is pwede mong paglagyan ng mga baggage. So pwede rin siyang lagyan ng tail box. So ayan, bagay na pang delivery courier, which is yun nga yung magiging purpose nitong motor na to. Okay, so dito sa naman sa likod is drum brake. Okay, so maganda na rin kasi yung mga fender niya buo na so hindi masyadong dumihin kung pumuulan. And then yung kanyang tambucho naman guys, so cool ng design. Merong tinatawag na carbon fiber design dito. So astig kamukha nung tambucho nung SC ko. Okay, yung kanya exhaust nandito. So ano pa ba, ayun, yung kanyang pocket dito guys, isang mababaw, no, which is parang bagay, no, kung may mga barya kayo. Tapos yung isa naman is malalim, so pwede paglagyan ng tubig. O ayan. Okay, drive test 101. Okay, so unang upo. Ay, so nice. So dito muna sa may unahan. So sakto lang. Nakatingkad na onte, pero medyo abot na abot naman. Okay. Ganda rin ang upuan niya guys hindi madulas. Bukas na ba? Okay, start natin. Umiilaw ba? Medyo hard starting siya ngayon Hindi ko alam kung bago pa o dahil malamig pa tong motor. Okay.
A few moments later.
So, pupunta lang tayo guys kung saan medyo malawak. Maraming sasakyan eh. Yung mga pag-drive ng ayos. Okay ah. Not bad, not bad. Ano nga ayos ah. Ganda ng hatak. Parang hindi okay yung preno dito sa likod. Oh, nakalubog na yung preno. Pero ayaw tumigil. Kailangan ko i-adjust to guys. Oh, ano, sagad na yung preno. I-adjust natin yung preno sa likod. Mahina, hindi nakakagat. Ito guys, harap dito oh. Okay to oh, relax na, relax na. Ito talaga at tawag na chill ride guys. So, talaga chill ka lang no. Ayun, lawak ng apakan dito sa harap mo. Tama. Pwede pa maglagay ng cabinet dito. Okay. Maganda yung hatak niya guys ha. So, pag nag-rev ako humahatak na agad siya oh. Maganda, maganda. So, wag nyo napansin guys yung ating side mirror. Binaliktad ko kasi talaga, sinadya ko talaga at ano, sumasabit kasi doon sa daan. So, doon sana masarap eh, kaso sarado. So, dito tayo. Okay. So, speaking of 95 kilograms ang kanyang bigat, napakagaan dalhin, no? Napakagaan. At the same time, ganda yung handling niya guys oh. Kahit walang hawak. Hindi niya malikot. Hindi nga na parang medyo nabibitin lang ako dito. Medyo malawak konti, no? Mahaba ng konti yung kanyang ano, handle. Not bad. So, okay, banking. So, medyo napansin ko lang no, yung kanyang, hindi ko lang alam kung matigas ba talaga yung gulong niya ngayon o yung shocks. Yun lang, medyo parang matagtag sa puwet. Pero siguro matigas. Either doon sa dalawa, matigas ang gulong or matigas yung shock. Tapos, eto guys, paakyat. Ayos naman, ganda yung hatak niya. Not bad, no? Click na click ba? Tama, katulad dito, yung truck na to, hirap na. Pero yung aking motor, oh, easy lang, nanginunahan yung truck. Ulit ko rin. Ang ganda guys. Ulit na rin. Kita guys, maraming nagbabike dito sa area na to. Trip na trip nila tong paahon. Pagdating doon sa itaas, ayun, pagod na. So, tigil tayo na sa tinitigilan nila. Sana naiintindihan nyo sinasabi ko guys ha, kasi lakas ng hangin eh. Okay, so ito na guys. Ito na yung area kung saan tumitigil yung ano, mga nagbabike. Ayan. Okay. Oh, nakapreno na ito, tumigil. Gusto na natin. Papagilid.